Hello trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video, I've asked ChatGPT to create me unique strategies that we can try out that could potentially turn our $100 to $1,000 to $10,000 actually, and this is one of the strategies. Enjoy. So this strategy is quite easy. As you can see, you simply want to turn on your Heiken Ashi candles right here. If you're on the regular Japanese candlesticks, turn to your Heiken Ashi candlesticks. As you can see, reason being it smoothens price, and yeah, I think that is quite nice. So I'm gonna go to a trendy market. You're gonna look for a pair that trends well. Let me look for Euro USD. Is that trend well? All right, cool. Euro USD looks good. All right, cool. So this is very it's a very easy strategy. So what you want to do is you want to go to your settings and turn on your 3 EMAs. My settings are 200, and I've got 50 and I've got 20. All right, so let's get started. First thing you need to do is wait for, well, you need to wait for price to be underneath the green EMA for a sell, and price needs to be over the green EMA for a buy. All right, now when you're looking for sells or buys, you want to wait for a crossover between these two EMAs. Now let's try to test that out. I'm gonna go way back. Gonna go way back. Gonna go way back. Way back. Way back. Way back. All right, cool. I'm gonna start somewhere here. Maybe somewhere here. All right, I'll start somewhere here. All right, so right now we're following price, waiting for our signal to form. So right now we're looking for sells. We're looking for sells. Now we see a crossover right here. See, we have a crossover and our green indicators above. So we are gonna have a sell signal right here. And that's it. That's a first first trade right there. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Keep going. So right now we're looking for buys. We're looking for buys. Now we're looking for sells. There's no crossover. Let's keep going. Here we have a buy. Have a beautiful buy right here. Stop loss over there. Just take profit up there. That was a winning trade. Let's keep going. Right here we had a nice sell opportunity. Stop loss up here. Let's put it up here. Take profit down here. Let's keep going. No losing trades so far. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Right here we have a buy opportunity that formed right here. Stop loss underneath these lows. Then target these highs. That was an amazing strategy. In my regard, it works. Try it out, back test it yourself, and let me know what you think in the comment section. See you in the next one.